Today, we will learn the most commonly used sentences for greetings and introductions.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's it going?
It's going well, thank you.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here.
Are we friends?
Yes, we are friends.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
I love pizza.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Have you been to London?
No, but I'd love to go someday.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to the park.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you work or study?
I'm a student.
What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you watch TV often?
Not really, I prefer reading.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every day.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch them every weekend.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak English.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you prefer books or ebooks?
I prefer books.
Do you like working in groups?
Yes, teamwork is fun.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go twice a week.
How do you spend your evenings?
I watch TV or read a book.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a doctor.
Do you like to try new things?
Yes, I enjoy new experiences.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, it's interesting and useful.
Dialogue in a cafe. Hello, is the cafe open?
Yes, we're open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Where can I find the menu?
The menu is on the table, or you can scan the QR code.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have salads and vegetarian pasta.
What salads do you offer?
We have Caesar, Greek, and avocado salad.
How much is the avocado salad?
It's 15.
I'll have one, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Do you have lemonade? What's in the lemonade?
It contains fresh lemons, mint, and sugar syrup.
Can I have it without sugar?
Of course.
One lemonade, please.
Would you like anything else?
Can I sit by the window?
Sure, let me show you a table.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the receipt.
How long will my order take?
About 10 minutes.
Do you accept cards or cash?
We accept both.
Who should I contact in case of a complaint?
The contact number is on the receipt.
Where's the restroom?
To the left, at the end of the hallway.
Are pets allowed in the cafe?
Yes, but only small pets.
Do you serve alcoholic beverages?
Yes, we have wine, beer, and cocktails.
Which wine do you recommend?
Our special Saperavi wine is very popular.
I'll take one glass, please.
Coming right up.
Do you have vegan desserts?
Yes, we have vegan brownies and fruit salads.
What's in the fruit salad?
Fresh seasonal fruits like apples, oranges, and berries.
I'll have a fruit salad.
Would you like any toppings?
Do you have nuts?
Yes, we can add almonds or walnuts.
Walnuts, please.
Anything else for you?
Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, we do.
How much is the sparkling water?
It's 3 per bottle.
I'll have one bottle.
Still or sparkling?
Sparkling, please.
Ice or no ice?
No ice, thank you.
Is there anything else you'd like?
Can I reserve a table for tomorrow?
Yes, what time would you like to come?
Around 7 p.m. Do you have live music?
Yes, we have live music on weekends.
Is there a cover charge?
No, it's free for all guests.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, we have gluten-free bread and desserts.
Can I order gluten-free pasta?
Certainly, we have that as well.
How big is the portion?
It's enough for one person.
I'll take one gluten-free pasta.
What kind of sauce would you like?
Tomato sauce, please. Is the coffee organic?
Yes, all our coffee is organic.
What's the most popular coffee here?
Our cappuccino is very popular.
How much is a cappuccino?
It's $5.
Can I have one cappuccino?
With sugar or without?
With 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Anything else?
Do you offer iced coffee?
Yes, we have several flavors of iced coffee.
What flavors do you have?
Vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
I'll try the vanilla iced coffee.
Would you like whipped cream on top?
Yes, please.
Large or small size?
Small size is fine. Should I bring it with your meal?
Yes, please. Anything for dessert?
What's today's special dessert?
Our special today is tiramisu.
How fresh is it?
It's made fresh every morning.
I'll take 1 slice.
Would you like coffee with that?
No, just water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Would you like a bottle or a glass?
A glass is fine.
Anything else?
Can I take this to go?
Yes, we can pack it for you.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Do you have loyalty cards?
Yes, would you like to sign up?
Sure, how does it work?
You earn points with every purchase.
Can I pay now?
Yes, cash or card.
Card, please. Thank you. Have a great day. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.